Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Watlah Hapdeng ke Jingkhriat ke sun beneng Shillong, Henry ki Paidbah kim shimnas ngut ho shu namar ke Jingshong shet Rwai Bryan Adams, ke bralong man haka shipho tarik menta ubnai nopra hajawa hala Nehru Stadium ke badan hapulu Shillong. Bryan Adams ulakio sharinsan haka por prabaji janmiet, bat Rwai kumba arkanta shiteng hado shipho shiteng menwien. Ki Rwai ki ba Bryan Adams ulapan shong shet ki Paidbah, ki long please forgive me, run to you, summer of 69, here I am, heaven but ki wede. Bryan Adams uday ubala 100% snam karta ubala kha Canada, ketika sian ke baningkong ba unwan yuk kejat ha Shillong. Watla ke tiket kalong ke remdor ke batadru ke day lah jatingka, hendai lai I bakamadan ke ladap smam bat ki gallery. Ki bawan ban sngap ke Rwai Bryan Adams ki khambun, ki bomde ki khasi, ki bawan na ki we ki jela.
Belahyar.
My name is Bryan.
My name is Bryan.
I come from a place quite far away. I come from Canada. And nobody told me that it was going to be this cold tonight, okay? No one said anything. So, I'm looking forward to my bath later. No, I don't want your jacket. I'm okay. Thank you very much. Listen, everybody, I want to say, first of all, this is my first time here, and myself and my band, we are delighted to be back here in India, and especially in Shillong. Thank you so much for coming. Now, we have quite a long show, so I hope you don't have to get up in the morning, and we've got... going to try and fit in as many songs as we can. This is a song I wrote for my father. My father passed away about 5 years ago. And this is a song, the idea of the song is that as we go through our lives, we shine a light on the people we love. So right now, if there's somebody you want to shine a light for, turn on your torches and shine a light. Let's light this entire place up. Come on.
Come on, come on, come on, Evan!
very much.
Thank you.
One thing everybody's been asking me since I got here is, can we do a selfie? So I promise tonight we're going to do a selfie, okay?
No!
I'm taking it, you're in it. But right now we got a song for you. This is a song that I sang with the great Tina Turner.
Oh, let's be the best.
Now, as many people might know, we lost Tina last year, which was a great loss to music, but also a great loss to me because she's my friend, and she did a lot for me when I was a young musician. So I'm very grateful and very thankful to her. And we'd like to do a tribute to the great lady right now.
It's only love!
The song is called It's Only Love. We have the biggest dance in town, all right? But my friend Mark over here has a camera, and we're going to be looking for the best dancers of the night. Best shapes will get onto the big screen, okay? Now what I tell people is, for some of the gentlemen here who obviously do not want to dance, okay? I have two options for you. You can either you can twerk, or you can take off your shirt and whip it around your head, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's give it up for the dancers out there, everybody. Let's give it up for the dancers. Come on. Rule number one was when you knocked on my door. Rule number two was look at you. That's when I knew it was a pretty good sign. Something was wrong up on cloud number 9. Well, it's a long way up when we won't come down tonight. The moon is out and the stars are bright, and whatever comes gonna be alright. 'Cause tonight you will be mine. And we can't go back 'cause you're here with me. Yeah, the weather is really fine. Up on cloud number 9. I went up looking for what was one of the most popular songs here in India, and to my surprise, apparently this song is a very popular song. I don't play it very often, but I want to play it for you tonight. Let's get a nice moody lighting going on here, like something quite intimate. That's not intimate. Something more intimate, come on. I love the way you look tonight, with your hair hanging down your shoulders. I love the way you dance your slow, sweet tango, the way you want to do everything. Now you stare at me with those undress me eyes. Your breath on my body makes me warm inside. Let's make out.
Khluit mas Rwai Bryan Khluit ke Shillong pecah ke Jingkhriat benang. Ini Paidbah Khluit mas Rwai Bryan Adam.